In this video, I'll be showing you how to produce this beautiful liquid detergent, what you will call liquid soap, without nitrosol and without sulfonic acid. I'll be using our washing machine. Yes, that machine you have at home, we'll be using it as a mixer in this production. So join me. Let's go through the list of items we'll be using. So I'll be using Tezapon. I'll be using 2 kg of Tezapon. I'll be using SLS, that's sodium lauryl sulfate, 500 grams. I'll be using 200 grams of soda ash. I'll be using glycerin, 200 ml, and I'll be using my fragrance and also color, and also your cooking salt. We'll be using 20 liters of water. So we'll be making a batch of 20 liters in this production. So soda ash here will act as our stain remover. Then our salt will act as our thickener. So you know we are not using sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid these days, if you go to the market, if you know how much is 1 liter of sulfonic acid today, you think of other ways to make your soap without using sulfonic acid. So that is why we are doing this. You know we are in business to make profit, so we'll do it. So this is my 20 liters of water. I've scooped out 3 liters of water here. My total water is 20 liters. You can decide to make it up to 25, depending on how thick you want your soap to be. You will be able to make for about between 20 liters and 25 liters using this same quantity. Depends on how thick you want your production to be. So I've measured out 3 liters of water in one bowl, and this is 15 liters of water. I have 3 liters in one bowl and then 2 liters in another bowl. So I'll be soaking dissolving my SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate. I'll be soaking it in 15 liters of water. This will be acting as a foaming agent. This will be a foaming agent in this production. I've added, yes, of course, it's also boosting our foam because we'll be using Tezapon also as our base. So we've added SLS 500 grams in 15 liters of water. We'll leave it and allow it to dissolve. We've also added 200 grams of soda ash in 3 liters of water, and we'll allow it to dissolve. We'll allow both of them. We'll give them some maybe like 1 hour. We'll come back. Then this is my cooking salt. This is 500 grams. This is 250 grams. I added another 250 grams during the course of production. So you add your salt depending on how thick you want your soap to be. You can use between 750 grams and 1 kg. Between 750 grams and 1000 grams. So I stirred and I allowed it to get settled. So you'll see it when it is well settled. So here we are. You can see it is well dissolved now. So we can jump right in and start producing. Yes, this is my soda ash solution also, and that is the remaining 2 liters of water. I'll be using it to mix my colors and the rest of it. Here comes our mixer for today. Yes, we'll be using our washing machine. Most of you have these machines at home, but you don't know that you can use it as your mixer to make your liquid detergent. Instead of using your hand, and stressing you have this machine just lying there. Yes, we need to think outside the box and think of other ways that we can utilize the little resources and instruments we have and equipment we have to give us the best of value. So I'll be using my washing machine to make this liquid detergent, what you call liquid soap. So I've poured in my Tezapon inside my machine. I'll be adding 500 grams of table salt to it. This table salt here is acting as a thickener. Our Tezapon is acting as our base. So just watch me as I produce this soap without sulfonic acid and without nitrosol. It will still come out very well, very beautiful, and also transparent. In case you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Oge Chimadukoma. On this channel, I teach you different skills that you can use to produce home essential products, either to profit from selling them or make them for your home use, so that you don't buy them, you don't keep buying them every month. These things are things you can make in your home. If you make this one now, this one can last you for months at home until you're ready to make another one. So it will help you to save money. It will help you to either earn or save. So here we go. So I'm starting with my washing machine. Yes, washing machine. That washing machine you have at home, you don't know that you can put it to other use. I am showing you how you can use it. Yes, let's maximize. I am an economist by training, so what I do is to maximize all my available resources. This equipment is part of my resources, so I'm trying to maximize it. My washing machine is one of my equipment, one of my resources, so I'm trying to maximize. So we are maximizing what we have. So I'm just showing you that you can see that it is actually mixing it. See that it is actually mixing it. So I'm just trying to help it with the edges. The salt, the tezapon in the edge, let's just help so that it will blend everything perfectly well. Just follow me. I believe you're enjoying this video. Have you seen such a thing before? If you've seen it, let me hear from you in the comments. Have you tried using washing machine to make soap before? Or are you just seeing it for the first time? Let me hear from you in the comment. Let's hear, let's talk, let's chat, let's gist in the comments. Hope you're enjoying this video. If you're enjoying it, please give me a like. Also, comment, let me hear what you think about this. Have you tried using a washing machine to make soap before? Have you seen anybody using it before? Let me hear you. So I'm adding my SLS solution. It is not a solution because I have dissolved it in water, so I'm not adding it to my machine. Yes, our washing machine turned a mixing machine. Yes, so if we don't have mixer at home, then we can make use of the one we have. So I'm pouring in my 15 liters of SLS solution. I'll pour it in until I have completely poured in all. Hope you're enjoying this video. Hope you're enjoying this training. Are you getting value? Are you enjoying it? If you enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up now. Oh yeah, please like now. If this is your first time coming across my channel, I beg you, please subscribe to my channel, as you'll be glad you did. Subscribe, share these videos for others to see. Let others see that they can use their washing machine, ask their mixer. So just share it wide. Let others see the wonders we are doing with this machine we have at home, that we don't know that it has a second value. Okay, now I'm adding my soda ash solution. Remember, after I blended my tezapon with my salt, I added my SLS solution to it, and now I'm adding my soda ash solution. So I am left with 2 liters of water. With that 2 liters of water, I am going to mix my color, I'll mix my fragrance, and then I'll add the rest. You can see we are mixing. So now I'm adding another salt, 250 grams. Remember, I said we can use about 750 to 1000 grams of salt. I use 500 grams at the start. I am adding another 250 here. So when I'm done with this, I'll check the thickness. If I am fine with the thickness, I will stop at 750. But if I'm not fine with the thickness, then I'll add another 250, either 250 or less. So I will adjust the thickness with the remaining 250. So just watch me. Just watch me. You can see I'm just trying to ensure that it's mixing very well. I'm just trying to use my spatula to get to the edges to ensure that everything is blending perfectly. Okay, so this is my fragrance. I've added my glycerin earlier on. I don't know I've added my glycerin. I didn't pick up that part of it. So this is my fragrance. I've added my fragrance. You add your glycerin 200. You add your glycerin 200 ml, and then add your fragrance. Remember, I said I have added my glycerin. I don't know how I cut off that part from this video, but I'm telling you that I've added my glycerin 200 ml. I stirred, then I added my fragrance. I don't like adding my fragrance directly into my soap because at times there are some fragrance you add and it will just water down your production. So what I do is that I either mix it with half liter of water and return it, or I'll scoop a little bit of my soap, add my fragrance to it, and then pour it back. So I don't add my fragrance. So what I did there was I added my fragrance in 500 ml of water and I stirred it. This is my color. I'll also mix my color with water. Can you see? to dissolve very well, and then now I'm using lemon color. So you can decide to use any color of your choice. You can decide the quantity of color you want to use. You can also decide the perfume you want to use. But remember, I said I added glycerin here. Glycerin will help moisturize our skin so that it does not leave the skin dry when it is used to wash. But I don't know how I cut off that part from this video. So we'll just on the machine and allow the machine to do its work. Yes, machine, do your work. We did not get it just for washing clothes alone. We have gotten another function for you. So do it. I'm loving this. So this remainder water, I've poured it in. So remember I said we are using 20 liters of water. I scoop 15 liters to dissolve my SLS, which I use to make my solution. Then we use 3 liters to dissolve our soda ash, and then the remaining 2 liters I use part of it to mix my fragrance, my color, and then the remaining I pour. So this is remaining salt. I'll use this salt now to adjust the thickness of my soap. I'll add it and I'll be checking the thickness until I am fine with the thickness I see, then I'll stop. And if not, I'll add all the 250 grams of salt. So I'll know that I've used 1,000 grams of salt here. So you can see our soap is very beautiful. Can you see? It's not beautiful. So I'm scooping it out because I want to use this machine to wash me. I don't want to waste that soap. I did not allow it to get settled in the machine. I scooped it out into my bucket. Allowed it. Yeah, this is our finished product. Is it not beautiful? See now. See beautiful soap that me. See how shiny it is. Can you see? See how shiny. Can you see? And I use my machine to wash clothes. Nothing nothing waste. I just on my machine, added more water, poured in my clothes, and I wash. And this is the soap. Very beautiful. If you think this soap is not thick enough, you can also add more salt to thicken it up to your want, to how you want it. If you think it's not thick enough, but me, I love my soap this way. But if you think it's not thick enough, please add salt and stir, and it will thick the more. Thank you.